Welcome to Easy Jobs tutorial. Today we will learn how to onboard a candidate in Easy Jobs in detail. First, sign in to your Easy Jobs dashboard with your credentials. Then, navigate to the Candidates tab from the left panel. Now hover over the candidate chosen to onboard and click on View Details to open the candidate profile. Click on the down arrow beside the pipeline button below the candidate profile photo and choose Selected. A pop-up will appear. In the pop-up, select the joining date. Add the assigned salary and the probation period. Click on the Upload Document section on the right. Then select the appointment letter PDF file and hit Open. If you don't want to notify the candidate via email, tick on Do Not Send Email to Candidate. Now, select Email Preview and check the email subject and body is correct. Additionally, by adding a CC email you can send an email copy to a different email address. Hit on the Onboard button to update the pipeline and complete the onboarding process. How to onboard candidate from job pipeline. Open a job post, then go to Pipeline. Drag and drop the chosen candidate to the selected column. A pop-up will appear. Complete all these sections as you did earlier. Then hit the Onboard button. This is how easily you can onboard a candidate in Easy Jobs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to get the latest Easy Jobs tutorials.